Welcome and welcome back to All Things Home on a Budget. In this video today, we're sharing with you another part of this Christmas Winter Wonderland home decor styling series. And we are taking you on a tour in the living room space to see this interior design that you can do yourself. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the styling. If you've missed anything in this series, I will link it down in the description box below so that you can check out a playlist full of content. Thank you so very much for tuning in. Thank you so very much. If you're an oldie but a goodie, for keep coming back. If you are new here on the channel, first time, I pray it's not your last. You're in for a budget-friendly home decor styling treat. Now, this video is full of beautiful decor that I created myself. I am Melinda the Crafty Doll. If you are new here, I have a craft channel that I create DIYs to style in my space on a budget. I will link that channel in the description box so you can head on over and check that out once you have finished watching this video along with the playlist, okay? Now, other items here styled are budget friendly as well. You have things from Hobby Lobby. You know they're always running a sale. You have decor from Dollar General, Dollar Tree as well. That's right, I shop on a budget here on this channel. Now, when it comes to the tree, I'm very, very plain Jane. So all you're gonna see is ornaments and a beautiful white lights. So take a look at how everything has turned out. I am definitely in love. And if you have any questions, comment down below and I will be glad to answer about anything or where the items were purchased. So wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a prosperous and a blessed, happy, healthy New Year. Blessings to you all. Y'all remember to be kind. Kind people are my kind of people.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, you stand in splendid beauty. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, you stand in splendid beauty. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, you stand in splendid beauty. Your branches green in summer's glow, and evergreen in winter snow. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, you stand in splendid beauty. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, you stand in splendid beauty. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, you stand in splendid beauty. Your branches green in summer's glow, and evergreen in winter snow. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, you stand in splendid beauty. come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing.